Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question from NEET 2012. A solid cylinder of mass 3 kg is rolling on a horizontal surface with velocity 4 meter per second. It collides with a horizontal spring of force constant 200 Newton per meter. The maximum compression produced in the spring will be. So student, the rolling cylinder has two type of energy, two type of energy while coming toward the spring. So its energy is half mv square translation energy, and this is half I omega square rotational energy, and this energy transferred to the spring. So spring compressed by a distance of x, a length of x, then energy stored in spring after compression. So this would be 1 of half kx square by energy conservation rule ECR, half mv square plus half I omega square equal to half kx square. Half cancel, mv square plus I omega square equal to kx square. Here I for cylinder is half of mr square, so and v equal to r omega, therefore omega equal to b upon r. So m b square plus half of m r square, and omega is b upon r whole square, that is kx square. So m b square plus half of m r square b square upon r square equal to kx square. R square cancel, we got mb square plus half of mb square, that is kx square, and this is 3 by 2 mb square equal to kx square. Putting the value 3 by 2, mass of the cylinder is given to us 3 kg, and velocity of the cylinder is given us to 4 meter per second square. So this is k 200 into x square. 3 3 are 9, 9 upon 2 into 16, that is 200 x square. 2 8 are 16, and 8 9 are 72 equal to 200 x square dividing by 2, this is 36 equal to 100 x square. Taking square root both sides, this is 6 and this is 10x. So x equal to 0.6 meter is the compression in the spring after colliding the cylinder. So second is the correct answer of this question. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.